If you are feeling emotionally heavy, if you are feeling guilty very easily, if life feels dull, hard to enjoy, then this message may be exactly what your soul needs today. Because today we are talking about the sacral chakra, the energy center that is connected with emotions, pleasure, creativity, desires, flow, and the ability to welcome the change. And most importantly, we are going to talk about one emotion that deeply blocks this chakra. It's guilt. Yes. If you have been carrying guilt silently, guilt about your past, guilt about your mistakes, guilt about your choices, guilt about your needs, or even the person you are becoming, stay with me till the end. Because today I am going to help you understand about the sacral chakra. Also going to guide you through a simple but powerful exercise to begin releasing the guilt from within. And if you watched my previous video on root chakra healing, I want you to know something before we begin. Did you do the writing exercise which I mentioned last time? Did you feel any shift? Any lightness, any inner change? If yes, please comment below and share your experience. I genuinely want to know how our journey is going. And yes, if you are new here, I lovingly suggest you watch the root chakra healing after this, because chakra healing works beautifully when you work step by step. So yes, let's begin. So the sacral chakra is located around the lower abdomen. Spiritually, this chakra is connected to your emotions, desires, creativity, your sensitivity, your ability to feel joy and your comfort with change. The color is orange and the sound is VAM, V-A-M, VAM. The affirmation for this root chakra is, I accept change easily, I love managing uncertainty, I love having fun, and I enjoy experiencing the pleasure. Now, that line, I enjoy experiencing the pleasure, is very important, because many people have been taught directly or indirectly to feel guilty for what brings them joy. Guilty for change, guilty for wanting more, guilty for choosing themselves, guilty for resting, guilty for no longer being the same person as they used to be. Moreover, the guilt begins to block the natural flow. That is why the sacral chakra becomes weak. As we move through life, our needs naturally change, our priorities changes, our importance changes, our relationship changes, our understanding with ourselves changes. But instead of allowing that growth, many people start judging themselves for it. They think, why am I changing? Why I am not like before? Why don't I want the same thing anymore? Why can't I just be the old version of myself? What if people don't accept who I am becoming? And without realizing it, they begin to shrink. They disconnect from joy, they disconnect from creativity, they disconnect from their desires, and also they disconnect from their emotional freedom. So let me say this clearly today. Pleasure is not sin. Joy is not wrong. Feeling alive is not wrong. Enjoying life is not something that you need to apologize. When you begin saying this with awareness, I enjoy experiencing pleasure, you are not becoming irresponsible. You are simply giving permission to yourself to come back to your life. Yes, coming to the next sentence, I love having fun. It sounds simple, but spiritually it means a lot. When the sacral chakra is blocked, people often stop feeling excitement about their life. They lose all the excitements in their life. They lose their curiosity. They stop feeling emotionally colorful. Have you noticed this in yourself or others? Like someone go for holiday, and when you ask, how was your holiday? If you ask like that little, yes, it was good. When you ask, how was the food? It was nice. It was okay. How was the event? When you ask with all that excitement, yes, it was nice. Everything becomes so normal, so flat for them. No spark, no wonder, no emotional energy. Sometimes that is not just personality, sometimes it is a blocked energy. So when sacral chakra energy is low, it can show up as lack of excitement, lack of adventure, resistance of life, fear of uncertainty, emotional numbness, deep feeling of being disconnected from their own life itself. If you have been feeling this way, I want you to hear me clearly. You are not broken. You have been simply carrying the blocked emotional energy. And yes, that can be healed. This chakra is also associated with the water element. And what does water represent? Water represents flow, emotions, sensitivity, adaptability, movement, softness. When your sacral chakra is balanced, you feel emotionally open, creative, playful, flexible, alive, comfortable with change. But when it is blocked, you may feel emotionally heavy, disconnected from desires, rigid with your thinking, uncomfortable and uncertainty, and resistance of life moving forward. You may have seen some people start saying things like, I don't need anything, I don't enjoy anything anymore, I don't feel excited anymore, I don't really want anything, I get disturbed with things change. Yes. I'll give you a small example. I have a friend who get bothered with anything changing too much. Have you heard about people who have OCD? They don't like change at all because their sacral chakra is down. Even I had seen a lot of people in my community once upon a time who had OCD is gone. Why? Because they activated all their chakras, and the result of that compulsive obsession that this has to be here only has gone. Now they are comfortable with any kind of flexibility. So flexibility comes from sacral chakra. If that resonates with you, let this be your inner acknowledgement today. I am ready to heal. Because healing begins the moment you become honest about what you are carrying. And now we come to the heart of today's work. If the main emotion is blocking sacral chakra is guilt, then we need to bring that guilt into awareness. So I want you to take notepad right now, because this is where the healing begins. Write this sentence on the top of the page. I am guilty of. Please write 10 sentences whatever you are guilty of. Write honestly, write without editing, write the truth. Maybe I feel guilty about not taking care of myself. I feel guilty about wasting time. I feel guilty about not choosing myself earlier. I feel guilty about my relationships. I feel guilty about my mistakes I made. I feel guilty about opportunities I lost. Whatever you are guilty of, please pause the video now and list 10 guilts you have. And as you write, you may feel emotional. You may feel heavy in your chest or in your stomach. You may want to stop, but please don't stop, because what stay buried inside you cannot heal. So once you have done with the statements, I want you to understand something deeply. Every moment of life, human beings make a best choice from their current level of awareness, pain, fear and consciousness. Example, if I give you 3-star hotel and a 3-star hotel option, what will you choose? You choose a 3-star hotel, right? What if I give you a 3-star hotel and a 5-star hotel? Obviously you will choose a 5-star hotel, right? Because that is the current best option. Yes, so human beings always choose the best option at that moment. Nobody chooses the second best in life. The reason you are guilty of above said statements was at the moment that option was the best way to keep you safe. So if you had alternative and if you had a better option at that moment, you would have definitely chose that only. So somebody who don't have the better option, how can they be guilty of choosing the lower option? right? So say to yourself that I am innocent. I was protecting myself. So my request is stop being guilty, stop giving punishment to yourself for what an unhealed version of you did while trying to survive. This is where we shift. Now, the next exercise is take every sentence begins with I am guilty of and replace it with I am innocent of. Example, I am innocent for not knowing better at that time. I am innocent for making mistakes I made while learning life. I am innocent for staying where I had outgrown myself. I am innocent for protecting myself imperfectly. Yes, you can pause the video and take all the guilt sentence what you have mentioned earlier and replace it to I am innocent of. Now, I understand your logic mind may resist this. It may say, but I made a mistake, how can I be innocent? Listen carefully. Releasing guilt is not the same as avoiding responsibility. Real healing says, yes, I made mistakes. Yes, I take responsibility. But yes, I want to grow. But no, I will not hate myself forever. That is maturity. Because guilt, when held for too long, does not always make people bitter. Many times it creates anger, shame, self-punishment, and those emotions lead to more disconnection. But innocence, true inner innocence, makes you humble, teachable, open, ready to change. So ask yourself honestly, if the same situation come into my life today, with the awareness I have now, would I make the same choice again? No. If the answer is no, then honor the growth. And yes, we have come to the last step. Many people have got miraculous results for chanting the sound of VAM. Okay, sacral chakra sound is VAM and the affirmation is I accept change easily, I love managing uncertainty, I love having fun and I enjoy experiencing the pleasure. Okay, we'll do together. Take a deep breath. VAM. One more time, take a deep breath. Repeat. I accept change easily. I love managing uncertainty. I love having fun and I enjoy experiencing the pleasure. One more time. I accept change easily. I love managing uncertainty. I love having fun and I enjoy experiencing the pleasure. Yes, this was the information about the sacral chakra. If this message touched you in any way, don't leave silently today. Anchor this healing by commenting I am innocent, I am healed. If you actually did this writing exercise with sincerity, then type in done. Because healing is not just about watching, healing begins when you practice. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who may be carrying the guilt silently. And please do subscribe to my channel so we can continue this chakra healing journey step by step. Always remember this, healing is not about being perfect. Healing is about returning to your natural flow. Thank you for watching this video. Love you all.